Hello everybody, my name is Henri Nurminen. I come from Finnmaster Boats and we are here in the world's biggest indoor boat show. In a boat show it's very good to present new boat models, and today we have on the Finnmaster stand actually 2 or maybe even 3 boat models that are new for the market. But Pilot 8 as a boat is not that new. This was modified in 1.5 years' time. But what is new is the Yamaha engines. Yamaha just came out with new 200s, and they have been tested in this boat, and they have now also the electrical steering. Okay, on this side of the stand we have T9. A soft top version which is covered and very easy to take away or push away the roof and get an open boat, but on the other hand in few minutes you have a closed boat if you like. Behind that door and this door there is the canopy, and to close the roof you just push one button. This is a boat for the Scandinavian weather and also to South Europe, where you want to be protected by the sun. Okay, here on the Grandezza stand we had the opportunity to proudly present Grandezza 30, and it was a huge success. Now we have 5 Grandezzas all in total in our product range, and this one has been waiting. People have been waiting for this boat for approximately 1.5 years.
Hello, my name is Juhani Haapaniemi. I'm a sales manager of Finnmaster Boats. Great show once again since 2020 when the last one was existing, and we are looking very much forward to see new boating people in our boats and next spring and next summertime. Thank you.
You can see this video and all what we have been doing here in our website finnmaster.fi and grandezza.fi, and in our YouTube channels and in our social media channels. See you there. Bye-bye.